Well, water is one of our biggest problems at the Bosque here. The goal is to survive without any outside water at all. So we need to capture the water we need, store it in cisterns or somewhere, and then control our use so that we're getting maximum benefit out of the least amount of water. The ways we do that are, number one, composting toilets. That saves 40% over what a normal household has, and I've written about that and talked about that elsewhere. The other thing is showers. We don't tend to shower that much. If you live in the forest, you don't really get that dirty. You don't need to take a shower all the time. The sauna, of course, helps because people take a sauna, then they can take a short rinse down with cold water. They barely use any water at all, and they're cleaner than they would be if they took a long shower. So the other uses, it's hard to figure out how to attack each use and reduce what we need. Washing clothing is definitely a use. The solution there is to keep your clothes cleaner and just not to wash them all the time. I wear a pair of pants for a week usually. It's no problem. I wear shirts for many days, and so we're always looking for tips on how to do that. We do use electricity for our washing machine. We use a generator that we also use for tools and power up the solar system. That would be nice to get away from. You can imagine how cool a like bicycle-powered laundry machine, washing machine thing would be. That would be great. Other uses are in the kitchen of water, and all that water goes immediately to plants, so it's really not a big problem. Obviously, washing dishes with less water is useful. I don't know if hand washing or dishwashers are actually better. Dishwashers use electricity. Could we have a bicycle-powered dishwasher? I have no idea. Could make sense. But for now, we just generally try and take the basic ways to use less, and then we look for ways to tweak our improvements so that we have a culture, a human culture, which uses less water, because we definitely don't want to be sucking out of the ground and lowering the water table, or getting it piped in from somewhere else where people then don't have that water available to them.